was ever will be a cover about attention TV, so now my first one, I'm be so official pa, and you get your rat brewing your brain more. But some year be try afternoon, and the Niji Papa ye, and then the corner, and a brew our attention TV, so the corner, and and your bar part of the team, and then your guest be what I say, ever come once them can call a poet. Oh no, but my you as a poet, when our church books and what I say storytellers for no, you will do what I say, and never should come more, but could me be. But Charles, I will subscribe, I'm not subscribing, I'm a menace, I will share so. No, my son, so I share, I'm a now I send you, and I was send this which comment section for Eddie Amame Papa. Attention TV soon, you see me inspire more. Me doing Eddie Aposia Sparkles. Edium the corner, so and a drew no. What else last night, a University Foundation. University Foundation, doing your bay. I tell you, Pediama Foundation, the American for University Foundation and Ediama Obengano. It was 054-830-2985. 054-830-2985. Ronya so a baby says your home. A free will tea a copy monas. If when you copy mo, I will block my agape tarazo. I block my agape tarazo a year. Natis Boutique and Cosmetics. Obengano so it was 0242631620. 0242631620. The corner as you may try your university. Obusafa me da so papa bi e pass when your bread e dey atwe me ma twa me ho sima ba papa e dey apa the corner eso mre ana etru no and abante ani no e wa say ni din adodo din no e BKB Ghana oye nominee for Ghana Young Achievers Award. The books are what no e dey better nti Ghana Young Achievers Award no the books or the coin no e din e da books so e better. And the common to me, a more books are here, watch raw, any send your bay a poet or a young woman just completed SHS. You're nominated no a young Ghana Young Achievers Award. So now, Osha dream and then a petition come on. BKB. And one cover. Now, if you have a call, I'm not doing we'll be a school at the same.
I'm not doing your pushing. Pushing. You're trying to say me, you're back.
BKB no then,
brother, Quick Bright, BKB Nation.
Brother,
Quick Bright.
Now, brother, I'm Sophie. Oh, I'm going to do
oh, man, I'm the car because I wanted the idea bed, so when I choose a man, I'm quick. Okay, I'm from Bright, so I wanted to add something to it.
I don't want your kid.
Oh, now. I'm saying I get branding man. I'm branding myself, so I'm saying I did a very come.
And now you're brother.
Quick Bright.
Right. Why poet?
Poet because my money said I did be a Ghana Casano, ye need shed and come. And I did be so a mebuni piano said I did be so a deep message ever. A very correct message at the brain. But I think that kind of funny, any answer down call, and I said, I dream said down call. And as soon as I had the back, what it I inspire myself good. I'm assuming try I should probably be babonting. And I mean, whom the other way poet because it's part of me. I really love poets. Really jumpa.
Now, when you Ghana for your poets.
Yeah, I know people, but it's like, their own is more of tradition. Yeah.
But
I know more, but it's like. It's because of the tradition, so I don't normally follow them.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't normally follow them because if you follow them, it's like they are professionals, and if you talk to them, it's like say, yeah, I like, yeah, I because through social media, I'm not doing my and due to one or two reasons, me from Udimba. Kasa is like some person who have been almost shed their wire now, person so would they know. And she that the don't say person yeah unique, special, like should be strict, but you see when you bring something out, I say yeah they be unique from what others are doing.
Okay.
So if you talk to them, it's like say more of discouragement in the doors. And I said, okay, if that there, I will not. Although say it is good to say unya be from but sometimes it may fall somewhere may discourage you. So I think that is the issue there. Then let me also do something for myself.
Although no among your tradition,
sure.
Just I won't try your types of poets.
Yeah, we have types of poets. We have those that are having that are rhyming.
Your rhyming poet.
Yeah.
They were rhyming poet to say they know my example. But say
it's a poet like Shakespeare's poet.
Okay.
Some of the Shakespeare's poets and a
poet like Shakespeare poet.
A poet like The Leader and the Led. When you read it follows line. If a small count.
Peter's Papa. Then
sure.
Peter's
Papa pick a pair of pickle pepper pick.
A pair of pickle pepper Peter Papa pick. If Peter Papa pick a pair of pickle pepper, then where did Peter Papa?
It rhymes. A rhyming, any rhyming, and Adibia. I come and also a rhyming.
Okay.
Yeah, you are rhyming. You are a message now. I want top on message now or the first line. Yeah, and yet the same Adibina rhyming. But a bit more than a rhyming. First one, a rhyming to the second one.
Yeah, I say, as my kind of green leader. In so or you rain now, but at the end, no, I will say,
sure.
Okay.
You have a sonnet.
Okay.
Sonnet. 4 lines.
4 lines.
4 lines point. If you learn who call literature, you about poetry, you want to be brave or
into your day.
I do. My mind is according to my poems now. I wanted to be unique. Into maybe rhyming. I was not rhyming.
Maybe they're rhyming.
Yeah.
What's the board and said they're rhyming actually?
Yeah, it's like I think jealousy.
Okay.
Yeah, jealousy. I read a place that we were once school, we were once friends. But why is it that now I've gotten a promotion, so you are now hating me? It is rhyming.
We were once school.
Yeah.
We were once friends. Why is it that now I've gotten my promotion and you are hating me? You see, so it is giving information accordingly. First one there can I also say the same thing to corresponding to the first one. Not first and second one. What they are trying to say it brings to the third one. What they are saying. So these are some of the poems. If you follow, you say we have numerous ones. You're behind in the oil, and points like rap. It's like rap, yeah. It's like rap. It goes fast. It's like rap, but it's not like rap. If you listen to those who have been reciting poems, who will say yeah, supporting as I agree on supporting supporting now you go to the limelight. This one person supporting so we are urging say at least no I'm doing coho. So we have people who are poets who can really write good poems. You see, as like we are aiming say they are outside because outside no overseas no they appreciate those things. Focus on person or because I have one good friend, a poet, Pengod, or you're very good. Pengod is a very good. He's good. Okay. He's
good for Pengod and Chilling Papa. And also they are very.
Yeah,
they write for me. They are very good. They are very good.
You go back to who contacting to in penny for watch your poetry. Back who contacted back open?
I think 2 or 3.
All the poems need be more some kind.
For due to what if you're not careful, now them if you're not careful, would be commander because we need what the commander say on no way we need some. That's or she not polishing here, now be here. So for me, no
security reasons.
I would make farmer.
Say, crime does not discourage you.
Yeah, because I wanted to be a poet and I'm a chubby. What I say, I'm not catching so much only dear. Me make sure say and in mature like any street. Me any and be a bear come any professional. Me mamma say if be a midi west be any and find shame. I say to me when they say I have been boy because I say because I so who shame and cry say or started there, yes, we in a professional way.
Oh, but yeah, no personal culture.
Yeah, no grabber, you see, sometimes once will be bad up. Yes, at once no discouraging us, it's not good.
Oh no, you know the person is trying to tell you that he is professional and he is telling you that this is what Ghanaians want. When I can't afford Mujitum, oh yeah, young corner straight. No words that are and for words are if you are Ghana form because on all your poet, what your poet, I want go for airship and go for tea and go for kind of it's sharp. Oh,
almost, but in also assembly, we share two sides. Okay. Don't look at only one side of the story, but we share two sides. You want to say, because who will him say me? In that, because we started once starting with just straight and one with a professional way. We started gradually. So why don't you also tell me? I almost say I saw catch him, but not at the first moments where I saw you.
Okay.
What I say? As I was like, person just say like, oh, person pound because I've seen say those who are at the top, you don't want to say the pie or a pound. It is if a person chow pine or brown chow pine, or bet you say straight or bet you say answer, which is no good.
Which is no good saying say or no. Maybe also obedru no obiso ye ne saa nti saa no de you see once what the year one pen men fa nyo that is the issue if say me share no it's like SHS say meba form one ya punish me man pe nti me do me so me senior no ya punish man pe that was me below it shouldn't be so. Okay.
You see, we need to avoid. That
is your old side of thinking. Sure.
We need to avoid it because yet one pet. So I have to be DOB. Simple.
Okay. It's a say Obe drew a name now. Obe so I want to be a poet. BKB, can you guideline?
Sure, I will.
Don't try to sell straight.
Nah, the reason is I don't know his potentials. My first time, I don't need potential. So, me need 90, 2, 3, 4 times, and I'm going to say these are the persons that before I continue doing something. But if you don't know the person's potential, man can't share. They just allow him to bring out what he got or now share and sana. Just don't go forward, just go straight now. We can. It's not good.
Nipan one show or stories libi.
You see, by the grace of God, we have met some people and. If you're not careful, if you're not somebody you encourage yourself, because they'll tell you that they won't say. When you're careful, people that's how I was seeing it. So I cut my mindset. Then I wouldn't follow all those said. I'll just listen to them, look at how they've done this, but I will not talk to them to seek something from them now.
But you rather say overshare no more my
Sure.
Na what wash so
sure.
And then Emma who ejina say me costume from cra poet na metro.
The thing is it is in me. And now most of the actual beer. And then I said I didn't buy the met me a so that inspires me that no I can do some met me a that is me.
I say obi choya no I say met me a
sure.
And it's not me trying.
Yeah.
Okay. And ya nominated.
Sure.
Nomination no eba ye no. Obi na do call ya na so one na who say amame go contest na nominating.
Yeah, madam for be all back in SHS. And because SS no na mature into people know go for we end. On mommy link and say na perform you so I should try. And to my name be acting because stay here you know. You mean try and I try and they nominated me. Fire they pick me say they have nominated me. I was okay.
So you sent your books to them?
Yeah, I sent it through online.
Okay. So how was the feeling when the nomination came out?
I was somehow happy, somehow also not happy because I think that I've not gotten to the limelight. Although I've done something, but I need to do more. So I think that the promotion is coming early too much. Although it is good, but I think that it needs time. It's a process. So I send it to my book and cry.
With you, the promotion you're too early.
Sure.
But the person gave you the link and I'll contest.
Yeah, because
or you thought say no move out.
Yeah, one way or that, I thought I don't move and I do want to miss my mentions here. And the reason is that Ubina catch if I don't do it and the primary gives a beer, nearly near 40 be or even serious. Okay, let me do it and see. Said, yeah.